Took a shower this morning, but why not another? Should love it. I'm pretty sure the flapper's leaking and it's dripping water everywhere, but that's not the story today. The story is this copper drain pipe here that's been severely stressed by the HVAC guys that did the intake and exhaust running below it. I'm sure the stress cracked it. And what I wanted to do is bring this attention to the apprentices out there. This is zip coupling to do a spot repair instead of a Fernco. So I am joining each hub, which is here because it's super thick, instead of the copper. So I'm putting it over. It's a bit tight, but what will happen is there's no chance of the copper over here becoming soft, deteriorating, and causing a leak in the future. So these 3-inch pipe right here picks up like 2 toilets above. What happens is urine, like our urine, actually is very acidic, and copper corrodes. And what happens is over time it actually thins the layer, the wall of the pipe, causing it to become soft and cracking. And that's why I think with the HVAC pipes running behind me, they were running across, and because of the force on them and over time with the pipe becoming soft, it put a hairline crack because they were stressed, and in turn causing this leak. So if the HVAC guys or the installers of the HVAC venting did not stress it so much, it would have lasted longer, but in turn the pipe was getting pretty soft. It would have leaked eventually. So that's the moral of the story. Don't be a hack. Hire professionals. Have a great day.